Hi everybody. In the last video we unified classical physics with quantum physics by putting them both on common cause of action, the exchange of information. Now this is just like comparing a bugle and a trombone. In a bugle we've got quantized energy levels. You can only play the notes the bugle will let you play. You play this note, then the dominant fifth, then the next one and the next one, and that's it. You can't play anything in between. The trombone is classical physics. It's like a planet can move in space, can be here, it's continuous. Both are valid, both have common cause of action. Vibrating air and an instrument. Easy when you explain it in the right language. So let's look at physics now, and we see a perfect symmetry between what happens at the classical scale, what happens at the quantum scale. Now of course there's an awful lot more to physics than this. This is just the fundamentals, the foundations of the universe in which we live. At our level, physical level, not neutron stars, and all that. So this is the physical scale. We've got classical fields. Now 3 of them: gravitational fields, magnetic fields, electrical fields. Classical waves, sound waves, in any solid, liquid or gas. The wave is just energy. It isn't the movement of, say, water. Water goes up and down. The wave moves through it. They're different. Classical mechanics. Now I use the word mechanics here because it's physical against physical, as opposed to physical in space or physical in waves. So this is any interaction between a solid, a liquid or a gas. Levers, gears, hydraulics and pneumatics. Now I can use the word force here. I can't use it in the word if we're talking about fields. There's nothing physical. So in these, a lever, I swap force for distance, gears, force for rotation, pneumatics and hydraulics, force for area. So that we do keep the word force here. Now if we go down to the quantum scale and look at the fields, quantum fields, these give units of energy. I don't like to use the word particle because it infers a little dot of substance. The properties of mass, magnetic moment and electrical charge. And I see the same 1, 2, 3 pattern here. Quantum waves, electron wave, singular, electron microscope. Electromagnetic waves, microscopes and telescopes. Neutrino waves, which are triplets, electron, muon and a tau. Quantum mechanics, bits against bits. Any interaction between quarks, leptons and bosons. So we can unify Maxwell and Einstein, Planck and Schrödinger, and then put them all together. My new standard model, which shows particle physics and general relativity in the same pattern. Now we've not finished here because there's another part to physics, and I'm going to use the word physics because it's a description of the physical behaviour of matter, but the outcomes are unique. It's the theory of chaos. Now nobody knows what to do with this because they can't align it with physics. But any chaotic system requires the exchange of information between all the parts. You see where I'm going with this. And the relationship between classical physics and chaotic physics, where completely deterministic behaviour collapses into unique, unknowable outcomes, is something we've seen before in quantum physics. So we really are going to start problem solving and unifying. So I'll see you in the next one.